Alright, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So if you guys remember yesterday, we went ahead and finished up the wire pull from yesterday, which was about 80 to 90% finished yesterday. So went ahead and pulled in the rest of that wire this morning. And then we basically pulled off like 50 to 70 feet, and that was for the rest of the boxes. So the plan here, as you can see right here, all the wire gushing out on that right box, that is where we pulled our wire to. As you can see, there's some that comes in and right back out. So that was the idea, is basically we want to take these home runs to their destinations without splicing the circuit, so there's less makeup and more room in the boxes. So yeah, went ahead and pulled that wire in. Like I said, we pulled off like 70 feet down the hallway, and that hits like another 4 or 5 boxes, as you'll see here momentarily. So went ahead and dropped off like 3 or 4 circuits in that first home run box, and then the wire goes down these 1-inch pipes still down into its second box, where I think we dropped off another circuit or 2, as you'll see the box here in the middle with more wire gushing out, and you will see the wire coming in from the top side and then going out, the wires that are not spliced that go out directly to the right, right there. And then from there went ahead and hit the second box. I'm not sure what all these circuits do. Some of them are yeah, I'm not even gonna guess, but anyways, here's the second box here on the left. Dropped off a couple more circuits, and then there is a really weird spot for this box up here in the corner. I think it was probably in a decent spot before everyone put their stuff in the way, so I won't blame that on anybody, but that's in an unfortunate spot right there. If you thought that was a bad spot, there is a worse spot, which is the next box, which goes up and around way back there in the corner, which is probably going to be hard to reach in the future. Anyways, pulled the last 3 circuits to there, and this is what we were pulling our wire off. Once again, the Freedom Cart. There's a whole bunch of spots. It's double-sided. I went ahead, we got like a whole boat on this one side with almost a second boat, and then on the other side it's the same situation, so you can pull off tons of wire. We're doing number 10. I think it's basically for voltage drop, but we always do number 10s from the panel to the first home run box. But in this situation, we were trying not to splice the wires, so we just kind of pushed the last 70 feet through the other boxes. And I got this set up for the next wire pull. This is going to be our next wire pull. We have 2 more in this room from, I think, the same panel or same type of panel. Anyways, got this ready to go. Just have to tie the strings together and tape that together. Anyways, that's pretty much going to wrap it up. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Another fun day pulling wire with Steven. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Giveaway going to be like tomorrow. I'm like 7 subscribers away from 18,000. So if you don't want to miss out on the giveaway, make sure to subscribe. And that will probably be happening tomorrow or the next day. And it'll be a double giveaway because I forgot to do the last one. So anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.